How to use the MetaSwap protocol to open hedging swaps position on the gold asset. On the screen you can see the MetaSwap web application sections regarding the wrapped PAX gold digital asset on the main app.metaswap.finance. By selecting the gold icon, we can move the entire UI to reflect the gold hedging swap positions. And the first question that arises when we talk about the gold in the MetaSwap protocol is why wrapped PAXG? To answer these questions, we have to move back a few months, where precisely on December 10th of 2022, a new DAO proposal has been carried out and has been voted successfully by the XMT tokens owner on the blockchain. The question of this proposal was, should MetaSwap integrate a gold asset based on Paxos Gold? Why did we need to ask the governance of the project such a question? Well, the topic is a little bit complicated, and let's open this proposal to read it. First, it's interesting to see that this proposal has passed with 100% successful votes. 41.7 millions of XMT in voting power has been spent for voting on this proposal. Let's scroll down directly in the middle of this proposal, because the summary, the important thing is here. In order for integrate a digital asset on the MetaSwap protocol, there are two main properties a digital asset should have. It should have the necessary liquidity on the main DeFi protocols, e.g. Uniswap, and that can be accessed by the users in an easy and disintermediated manner. MetaSwap is a DeFi, decentralized protocol. It wouldn't have made any sense to use a token that you could only swap and get into centralized exchanges. So we had to choose a token, a digital representation of the gold available on the main DeFi and decentralized protocols. Second, but not less important, the presence of the oracles. For the MetaSwap protocol to work properly, we need a price feed of the digital asset. Everything is based on this price feed. And Paxos Gold has a real price feed in the chain currently on the Chainlink platform. However, at the same time, a problem arose due to the transactions fees applied by the Paxos to the Pax Gold token. PAXG, the original Paxos token, is a fee transfer token. For each Pax Gold transaction, Paxos charges an additional fee of the amount of the PAXG sent. And MetaSwap hedging swap protocol, all the smart contracts were not designed to be used with such a kind of token. So in order to solve this issue, this proposal was to create a wrapped standard ERC20 token based on PAXG called wrapped Pax Gold. This allows the PAXG holders to lock them into the PAXG smart contract to mint and use wrapped Pax Gold that can then be used on the MetaSwap smart contract. Now that we understood this, we can move back to our web application where everything is based on this wrapped version of the Paxos Gold token. And now the question is, how do I get my hands on this wrapped PAXG token? There are two main ways to get wrapped PAXG. The main one is to get your wrapped PAXG directly on the DeFi exchange Uniswap v3. On the MetaSwap web app, there is the integrated exchange feature. Here in the header menu, under the tokens item, there is the exchange item where we can directly exchange our asset, our Ethereum, wrapped Bitcoin, Tether, or wrapped PAXG. In this case, we are going to select, for example, Ethereum to PAXG, or let's say USDT to wrapped PAXG. So if I had some Tether tokens, some stable coins in my wallet, I could directly exchange it through Uniswap, whether with the integrated exchange on the MetaSwap web application or in the original Uniswap UI, I can swap directly Tether, Ethereum, or wrapped Bitcoin to my wrapped Pax Gold. In this way, I will have my wrapped Pax Gold in the wallet ready for use in the swap section, in the swap gold section. The second option I have for getting my hands on the wrapped Pax Gold token is to wrap your original Paxos Gold tokens using the synthetizer of the MetaSwap web application. So if I am an owner already of the original Paxos Gold token, I can wrap it and get the wrapped version of the token that I can use on the MetaSwap protocol. This is an integrated feature. Again, in the token section, the synthetizer item, I will show it through the demo environment of the MetaSwap protocol, which is running on the Ethereum Girly test network. There is a dedicated tutorial on how to use the demo environment of the MetaSwap protocol. Let's click switch network and move to the Girly test network. Close down this pop-up, and then I can move to the tokens synthetizer section. Here, if I connect my wallet and I have, after accepting terms, service, and privacy policy, and if I have Pax Gold, I have nearly 10,000 test Pax Gold tokens in this wallet, we can wrap them to our wrapped PAXG. Let's say that I want to wrap 5 PAXG, and this is what I will get back. I will get less than what I am wrapping because PAXG is a fee transfer token. So on these transactions, the Paxos Foundation, they will keep a fee from your original amount. So I will get less wrapped Pax Gold than the original Paxos Gold that I'm wrapping. Let's click Allowance, confirm on the MetaMask pop-up. We are giving the synthetizer smart contract the allowance to use and to access our Paxos Gold tokens in my wallet. And then after the allowance complete, I can click Proceed. And now I have 10,000 wrapped PAXG. At the end of this process, I will have nearly 5 more. Let's click Confirm again and wait for the transaction to complete. Now that the transactions is completed, I have 10,004.9999 wrapped Pax Gold and 5 less original Paxos Gold in my wallet. With this wrapped version of the token, I will then be able to use the MetaSwap web application, the MetaSwap protocol, to cover and to open hedging swap positions on the gold digital asset. Once I am done with my hedging swap position, and if I want back my original Paxos Gold, I can use the token synthetizer in the other way around, so unwrapping my wrapped PAXG. So let's say that I want to unwrap my 4.99999 wrapped PAXG that I wrapped a minute ago. I will click proceed, and once again I will receive a little less because of the fee transfer applied directly by the Paxos. Let's click confirm on MetaMask, and after the transaction completes, I will have back a little less of my original Pax Gold token in my wallet. Here it is, the transaction complete. Here is a little less than 10,000 wrapped PAXG, and here a little less of the 9,999 PAXG I had previously. At this point, you're all set for use the MetaSwap protocol, the MetaSwap web application to open your hedging swap position on the gold digital asset. Please refer to the other tutorial on how to use the MetaSwap web application.